This is HP ProBook 440 G4 G3 laptop, and this laptop problem is and system fan 90p error. Okay, and this problem comes from this cooling fan, and today I will fix this problem very simple and easy way without changing this fan. Hopefully you will like this video. Okay, let's start. Open this laptop. After opening all the screw, and just go here, and here is a lock. From here you can see here is so many dust on the motherboard, and at first I will clean this. Okay, let's see the fan condition, and this is blocked with this dust. Okay, this is not freely rotated. Let's open it and clean this motherboard. Let's clean it, and this fan also jam. And I clean this laptop motherboard. After cleaning this, you look at this, and it's very clean and very beautiful. And I just blow this. Okay, after blow this fan, and this fan is smoothly rotating. Okay, this is okay. Okay, plug in the charger and keep the power. Cooling fan is spinning. Okay, still here is a error message, and you can see, and how we can remove this I am show you. And you just connect the keyboard, press it, and press the enter, and Windows is getting ready. Okay, our problem is solved. You can see here is a fan is spinning. When you clean the fan, and initially your problem will be not solved until you press the enter button. After cleaning the cooling fan, you just connect the keyboard and press the enter button, and that problem will be solved. Again check it. Plug in the charger, press the power button. And you can see error message has gone, and our laptop problem is solved. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. And this cooling fan also is spinning.